Every year on April 22, Earth Day is observed. Earth Day is dedicated to the Mother Nature, and with each passing year, as the world battles a climate crisis, Earth Day is gaining significance. In 1990, Earth Day became an environmental movement working with more than 75,000 partners in over 192 countries to drive positive action for our planet. This year, we mark the 51st Earth Day, and earthday.org calls on everyone to be a part of the change. The theme for the Earth Day 2021 is to restore our Earth, and it focuses on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystem. In this way, the theme rejects the notion that mitigation or adaptation is the only way to address climate change. Let's now look at some of the phenomena around the world. Indian Ocean. The ocean can glow and glitter thanks to a natural chemical process known as bioluminescence, which allow living things to produce light in their body. The sea sparkles in the night sky when disturbed by a wave breaking or a splash in the water. Poland. The crooked forest is a grove of 400 oddly shaped pine trees. From the base, the pine trees grows with a 90-degree sharp bend northward, but then curve back and grow straight up. Despite the unnatural curves, they can grow up to 50 feet tall. Death Valley, California. Sailing stones are rocks that move along the desert ground with no gravitational cause. Though no one ever see them actually move in person, many of the largest rocks have left behind trails as long as 1500 feet. Norway. The northern lights offer a beautiful green glow visible on dark nights between September and March. Electrically charged particles move from the sun to the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemisphere, creating a horseshoe shape of green particles. China. The Rainbow Mountains within the park was known for their otherworldly colors that mimic a rainbow painted over the tops of rolling mountains. They are sandstones and siltstones that were deposited before the Himalayas were formed. Russia. Every winter, as temperature drops, the lake forms gem like ice that glints in sunlight. The structures are formed as the lake freezes unevenly, causing some blocks to be pushed up onto the surface of the frozen lake. Alaska, the bubbles resembling jewels are frozen pouches of the methane, a highly flammable gas. Dead organic matter falls into the water and sinks to the bottom and meets the bacteria. These bacteria get in touch with the dead matter and release methane that looks like frozen bubbles.